When Jesus was 12 years old, he followed his parents to Jerusalem for the Passover feast. When the feast was over, Joseph and Mary went home, but they did not realize that Jesus stayed behind. They thought he was in their company. Joseph and Mary realized that Jesus was not with them and went back to Jerusalem to look for him. They found him in the temple after 3 days. Jesus was sitting among the teachers, listening to them and asking questions. Everyone who heard him was amazed at his understanding and his answers.
"Son, why have you treated us like this?"
Mary said to Jesus.
"We have been anxiously searching for you."
But Jesus replied,
"Why were you searching for me? Didn't you know I had to be in my Father's house?"
Mary did not understand Jesus' reply, but she treasured all these things in her heart. Jesus went back home with his parents finally. Jesus grew in wisdom and stature, and in favor with God and men.